everyone. Today we will see how to calculate slope and intercept in Excel. So let's start. This is the dataset we will use in this tutorial. Here in the first column we can see hours studied, number of hours studied, and in the second column we can see test score. So from this dataset we can easily guess that it is showing us the test score based on number of hours studied. So hours of studied, this is called independent variable, and independent variable is denoted as x, and test score will be dependent on this. So test score is a dependent variable and it will be denoted as y. This is the equation. So if we want to know, y means test score, if we want to know how much a student will score if he studies a particular hour, for example here 1 to 10 hours is given. If we want to know how much he will get if he studies for 11 hour, then we kn- we have to know that m value, m means slope's value, x means independent variable, we already know that it's 11, and b means intercept. So if we know all these three, we can calculate that how much he or she will score in the test. So let's calculate slope first. Here you can find the slope function, double click on that. Known y's, this is your y value, that is dependent variable. Select all the data, comma, then known x's, this is your x value, that is independent variable, then close bracket. So this is your slope's value. Now to calculate intercept, type intercept, click, double click, known y's, that is this, and known x's, this. I'm ignoring the error. So we have got our slope intercept, that is m and b, and x. What is x? X is independent variable. So how we can calculate this? Just type this formula, that is m into x plus b. So is equal to, what will be the test score? What will be y? M into x, m into x, and I am keeping them in a bracket, then plus b. Okay, plus, this is our b, enter. I am rounding it a little bit. So we can say, based on this equation and based on the data of slope and intercept that we calculated, based on this data, that if a student studies for 11 hours, then he will get 96 marks. Okay, so this is how we can calculate slope intercept, and we can apply this. uh, it will be better if we select the data and put that in a graph. We can use a scatter chart here, and here we can give the axis titles, number of hours, and here test score, and let's make it a little bit bigger. I'm selecting this, and from this dots, I'm right clicking from the mouse and add trend line. You can see a trend line is added. Display equation on chart. You can see the equation here. I'm making it bigger for maximum clarity. So you can see here, uh, this is the slopes value, which is the same as our calculated value, and this is the intercept value, which is the same as our calculated intercept value. Here it is x and y. So this is how we can uh, calculate slope and intercept values, and we can know what will be the test. If we know the test score, then we can put here, and we can identify how many hours needed to be studied. Or if we want to uh, identify what will be the test score, then we have to input number of studies in x, and m and b are calculated before, so we can easily get that. That's all for today. Thank you very much.